to give our customers a competitive edge in the marketplace. One of these solutions is the RoboMatrix, a revolutionary palletizing solution developed in response to an industry-wide need for increased speed and flexibility to handle complex products and packaging configurations. The best analogy for how RoboMatrix works is that it's like playing Tetris with robots and cartons. The cartons are manipulated from a single stream, orientated and positioned laterally with absolute precision and reliability so they accumulate in the programmed layer pattern. In reality, the system is simple to use with totally automatic size and pattern change. Introduction of new products or patterns is as simple as dragging and dropping cartons onto the pallet image on the colour touchscreen. Cartons flow from the low back pressure in-feed conveying system through the newly developed AccuBuster system. Layer pattern forming is greatly revolutionised by FoodMac's new Track and Grip pack gripper, mounted on highly accurate industrial robotic arms. The Track and Grip pack gripper incorporates a servo-driven motor control that regulates the lightning-fast opening and closing of the side clamps and torque control to ensure that individual packs and groups of packs are handled gently and precisely. The ability of the AccuBuster system to feed any number of packs singly or in groups, and the Track and Grip pack gripper's head's versatility to handle any group of packs up to 1200 millimeters long significantly increases the speed, flexibility and efficiency of the RoboMatrix system, making it the world's fastest and most flexible palletizing system. The accumulated layer then advances through the layer's sweep zone and onto the biparting stripper. Packs are then squared and stripped onto the pallet. Machine guarding has been designed so that all operations are clearly visible at all times. RoboMatrix combines the speed of the conventional palletizing system with the flexibility of a robotic palletizing system. This allows different pack types, such as cartons or shrink-wrap trays of various sizes, to be handled easily and flawlessly. RoboMatrix raises the bar and sets the new standard in palletizing. RoboMatrix delivers value to your business through its unbelievable flexibility, absolute simplicity, accuracy, and ultimate reliability.